Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ConvertKit for creator email funnels, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the ConvertKit website. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address in the required field. Create a strong password for your account. Click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from ConvertKit. Open the email and click on the verification link. Log into your ConvertKit account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select Create New to start a new email funnel. Choose Email Sequence from the drop-down menu. Name your email funnel in the provided field. Click on Create Sequence to proceed. Add your first email by clicking on Add Email. Enter a subject line for your email. Compose your email content in the editor. Set the delay time for when this email should be sent. Click Save and Publish to save your email. Repeat the process to add additional emails to your sequence. Once finished, review your email sequence to ensure everything looks good. Go back to the dashboard to create a sign-up form. Select Forms from the menu options. Click on Create Form to begin. Choose the type of form you want, such as inline or modal. Customize the form fields as needed. Design the form to match your brand. Click on Publish to finalize your form. Integrate your sign-up form with your email sequence by linking them. Test your form to ensure it works properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.